Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can add new app icons to the home screen automatically in DOOGEE S100. So in the first step, hold the finger on the empty place on your screen and choose Home Settings. Now just look for the launcher style, select the default, and let's open the Home Settings again. Now, as you can see, you have add app icons to the home screen, so just switch it on, like here, and from now all of your fresh installed apps shall be placed on the home screen automatically. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.